Well, welcome back, everyone. We're getting closer and closer to hearing from Powell on Friday. Rumblings from the Jackson Hole Symposium, which does start tomorrow officially at 8 a.m., can come out. Headlines can break, of course, using their mouthpieces, the Fed, that is. However, we are in a market that has not yet taken in anything new. It is still in a very standstill type spot. We did make higher highs, as you can see right here on the daily chart. We are in a signal state that is still quite positive on a daily chart, but we're getting to that point where the time frames underneath the daily, the 4-hour, 1 hour, are exhibiting some exhaustion. So where are we? We are in a champion trend, champion cross by signal state, with the wealth signal that did fire off. That all happened on Friday last week. Then we got a breakout forecaster, another one, and another one. So we are in stage 3 of the champion trend pack sequence of signals, and that is an exciting stage to be in. Why? We can make bigger price moves with less bars. But as you can see, we have not made those bigger price moves as of yet. We are in a smaller range, and that's something that we discussed with folks over on Wealth Charts during the Hour of Power this morning, and of course in the Active Trader Room. Now, the interesting part about the signal state that we're in is when you look down at the subchart, some of the marketplace indicators here, like Rob's ITP, TRP, my triple S, they are getting a little bit more bullish. So is the market effectively pausing, which is a replacement for a pullback? If the pause is long enough, it can provide that energy to get going again and make it to the next target area, which would be a midline target around 57.05. Is the pause combined with the signal state on triple S, which did go positive, you can see the triangle right there, and of course throttling the crossover on the TRP momentum lines, and the fact that we're still using high octane bullish fuel, is that enough? Well, the timeframes underneath the daily chart are providing more negative divergences. So as we came up and made higher highs, you can see that the ITP trigger, fast trigger, is down. The TRP momentum crossover line's on a red dot. The triple S is running out of room and the channel is sloping down. Tomorrow is a likelier day for a potential pullback and then a bounce. The bounce could be driven by Powell himself on Friday as a result of the statements that he makes. Now, it's not a policy-related event per se. However, Friday is the day. Tomorrow, there's some vulnerability. Now, tomorrow could be a day where headlines break, we get a little pump, and then the Friday meeting doesn't live up to it, and the news is sold. So effectively what you're hearing from me is the native state of the market does show some exhaustion, but the signal state is still positive. The primary outcome that we would expect before the week is over is to make a higher all-time high. Whether it holds is the question. I'm going to leave it right there with one key insight to end. If we are pulling back tomorrow because of exhaustion, a move that can take us from 56.40 down to the last breakout forecaster, which is today, which is almost 90 points lower, is not off base. But that should then act as a springboard, if it so happens, to push us back up again. If that breaks, there is another catchment of support, but we're in a different market move at that point. Wishing you an incredible rest of your day. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in videos just like these in the days to come. Have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.